Hello, my name is Morten and I'm from Denmark, and this is New Road Guest House. This is the entrance with a chill out area. There's the reception. This is my room with a nice bed, air condition and a nice bathroom. I decided to go traveling to have a break from my work, and Thailand is always a nice place to visit. I've been here 4 times now, and the people are really friendly. It's cheap, and it's easy to get around. What do you have there?
Pepsi.
Coffee?
Pepsi.
Pepsi? In a bag?
Yes.
Is it good?
Good.
Up here is a really cool DVD room. It's really nice. Where you just can hang around and chill.
Hello.
And look here, you can choose any film you want. And on the second floor, we have the dorm rooms with 6 beds. Up here we have the rooftop terrace. Get a great view over Bangkok. Down here you have the temple. You have Shangri-La Hotel. And down here you have all the locals. The location of this hostel is very, very good. You have the Danish meatballs. 2? Yeah. This is the Kilroy Travel office where you can buy all the tours around Thailand.
If you want to see something else than what normal people see in Bangkok, shopping and temples, you can just go to on this bike tour, a tour where you go out and see like the rich places in Bangkok, some poor places as well. You go to a floating market, you go to like this remote island thing where you go around in the rainforest. It's a very, very nice trip around Bangkok that not many tourists see.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. Now I want to go out shopping. Bye bye.